Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining the app features that require website connectivity. Map each feature to a specific REST API endpoint over HTTPS port 443. Design payloads using JSON and limit typical requests to 1 MB or less. Specify methods like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, and expected response codes. Plan authentication using OAuth 2. Zero access tokens and refresh tokens. Document each endpoint using Open API with concrete examples and schemas. Establish rate limits such as 100 requests per minute per client ID. Implement the backend API in a reliable framework like Node, JS, Django, or Spring. Host the API behind HTTPS with SSL certificates and port 443 enforced. Enable CORS policies and restrict origins to your website domains. Provide server SDKs or a client SDK for Android and iOS integration to simplify app work. Support webhooks for real-time events and implement retry logic on failures. Version endpoints using v1, v2 in the URL to avoid breaking changes. Log requests and errors centrally and retain logs for 30 days to aid debugging. Test integration using automated API tests and manual end-to-end flows. Use Postman collections and CI pipelines to run tests on every push. Load test endpoints to handle expected traffic, for example 1,000 RPS, and validate auto-scaling behavior. Deploy to staging then production using blue-green or canary releases to reduce downtime. Monitor latency, errors, and throughput with alerts set for 500 ms thresholds. Encrypt sensitive fields, validate input thoroughly, and rotate keys every 90 days. Collect analytics to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.